In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping costs to your Wix website. If you're running an online store on Wix, managing shipping costs is crucial to streamline your sales process and ensure that your customers are clear on what they'll pay at checkout. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, what you'll want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, locate and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where you'll be able to access all the back-end management tools for your website, including shipping and delivery settings. Next, look out for the category called Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. Click on this option to delve deeper into the area where you can manage all your shipping details. This is your hub for setting up and customizing how you handle shipments to your customers. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a region. Selecting the appropriate region is important because it allows you to tailor your shipping options based on your business model and target audience. Make sure that the region you pick aligns with your shipping logistics and customer locations. With the region sorted, your next step is to click on the Add Rate button. This is a critical step as it takes you to the section where you can establish the shipping rates, which are key to ensuring accuracy during the checkout phase. After clicking on Add Rate, you'll find an option under Shipping that says Continue. Click on this to move forward in the process. It's designed to make sure that all the shipping details you're about to input integrate smoothly into your site's checkout workflow. The following step is to select how the rate is calculated. You may decide on various criteria such as weight, price, or fixed shipping rate, depending on your business needs. Each option offers different advantages, so consider what's best for your customers and logistics. Once you've decided on the calculation method, you need to specify the name that will appear at checkout. This should be clear and informative for your customers, like standard shipping or express delivery, so they know exactly what they are choosing. Then type in the estimated delivery time. Providing this information is crucial as it sets customer expectations on when they will receive their purchase. Accurate delivery estimates contribute to an overall positive customer experience. Now it's time to input the rate itself. This is the amount that will be charged at the checkout stage for this particular shipping option. Again, ensure that this rate reflects the actual cost you incur to maintain transparency and avoid cart abandonment. Finally, review everything you've entered and click on the Add button. This action saves your shipping rate settings, making them active and available to customers during checkout. Implementing clear and precise shipping rates will help you manage customer expectations and optimize your sales process on Wix. And that's it. You've successfully added a shipping cost option to your Wix online store. By following these steps, you can enhance your customer experience and ensure smooth operations for your e-commerce business. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.